Sawadee Welcome to Speak Thai with me, Paul. I am now on a ferry to Santorini Island in Greece. In this video, you will learn how to use mang, high tone, mang, which you will hear too often in informal Thai conversation. And if you want to know how to use mang to make guesses in Thai, watch this video to the end. Hey guys, I am back. You normally use mang with aja, kongja, or naja, and it is put at the end of a statement. In Thai, aja, kongja, or naja is used to express probability or possibility of something happening, similar to say might, probably, or likely in English. And mang is used here as an ending Thai particle to express guesswork, uncertainty, or hesitation, similar to saying I guess, I think so, or perhaps in English. Yes, you heard it right. In fact, mang is optional. So why do Thai people like to use mang at the end when it is also used to express probability or possibility?
Why? Why?
1. You can use mang to show an additional level of uncertainty. For example, to say he might come late. เขาอาจจะมาสายเขาอาจจะมาสายเขา means he อาจจะ means might มา is a verb meaning to come and สาย is to be late so เขาอาจจะมาสายเขาอาจจะมาสาย is saying he might come late. However, if you want to show an additional level of uncertainty, you can also say perhaps he might come late. เขาอาจจะมาสายมั้งเขาอาจจะมาสายมั้ง In this case, mang is similar to saying perhaps in English. 2. You can also use mang to display a I guess attitude. For example, to say it will probably rain tomorrow. พรุ่งนี้ฝนคงจะตกพรุ่งนี้ฝนคงจะตกพรุ่งนี้ means tomorrow. ฝน refers to rain. คงจะ means probably. And ตก is a verb meaning to fall. So พรุ่งนี้ฝนคงจะตกพรุ่งนี้ฝนคงจะตก is saying it will probably rain tomorrow. However, if you want to display a I guess attitude, you can also say I guess it will probably rain tomorrow. พรุ่งนี้ฝนคงจะตกมั้งพรุ่งนี้ฝนคงจะตกมั้ง In this case, mang is similar to saying I guess in English. 3. You can also use mang to show that it is only your personal opinion. For example, to say the food is likely to be expensive. อาหารน่าจะแพงอาหารน่าจะแพงอาหาร refers to food. น่าจะ means likely and แพง is an adjective meaning to be expensive. So อาหารน่าจะแพงอาหารน่าจะแพง is saying the food is likely to be expensive. However, if you want to show that it is only your personal opinion, you can also say I think the food is likely to be expensive. อาหารน่าจะแพงมั้งอาหารน่าจะแพงมั้ง In this case, mang is similar to saying I think in English. 4. You can also use mang to show that it is only your personal assumption. For example, to say he is probably not free. เขาคงจะไม่ว่างเขาคงจะไม่ว่างเขา means he คงจะไม่ means probably not and ว่าง is an adjective meaning to be free so เขาคงจะไม่ว่างเขาคงจะไม่ว่าง he say he is probably not free however if you want to show that it is only your personal assumption you can also say I suppose he is probably not free เขาคงจะไม่ว่างมั้งเขาคงจะไม่ว่างมั้ง in this case มั้ง is similar to saying I suppose in English in fact you can also use มั้ง to make your guesses when replying someone's question for example when someone asks you what day is today วันนี้วันอะไร to guess maybe it's Monday วันจันทร์มั้งวันจันทร์มั้ง where วันจันทร์ refers to Monday another example when someone asks you how much is this อันนี้ราคาเท่าไหร่ to guess maybe it is 300 baht 300 บาทมั้ง300 บาทมั้ง300 is 300 in Thai and baht refers to Thai currency okay that's all for today's lesson now you know how to use มั้ง with อาจะคงจะ and น่าจะ but before I go how do you say in Thai I guess you might like to drink coffee write your answer in the comments box below and if you want to buy me a cup of coffee you can click on the link below thank you very much for watching my video if you like my video click like on the link below if you find my video meaningful click share click subscribe if you wish to see more of my future videos thank you very much and see you in my next video สวัสดีครับ